My name is Dr. Clair Stagg. My StellaLife representative, Mark, has kindly asked me to talk about StellaLife. I was introduced to StellaLife last year, so that would be a year ago when I got my Deka laser to do frenectomies and surgery. And what I do is I use the StellaLife recovery kits before the surgery, and they get prepared. The oral tissues are healthy and they are healthier after the surgery. The healing process is reduced drastically, and I actually also, because I have a holistic practice or whole body practice, Health Connections Dentistry, I actually have a lot of their other products, a lot of the rinses and the gels and things of that nature. So I actually do promote the rinses for patients who have periodontal issues and or health issues, because obviously the gut starts in the mouth. And I have to say that I'm very impressed with all the products they keep bringing out. We can't keep up fast enough with everything that's there, and I'm very happy to know that there's such an amazing company that is doing this for our profession. And hopefully I'm at the collaboration for the cures in Orlando, and I'm hoping that many other fields that are all integrated with whole body can see what an amazing product that StellaLife is.